Welcome to Fluent English with Shah. Hello and welcome to class 3 of our full English grammar course. Today we are going to learn about articles, the small but powerful words a, an, and the. So ladies and gentlemen, let's get into the video. What are articles? Articles are words we use before nouns. They help us define whether we are talking about something specific or general. There are two types of articles. One, indefinite articles a and an. Two, definite article the. Indefinite articles a and an. We use a and an when we talk about non-specific or general things. Use a before words that begin with a consonant sound. A dog, a cat, a book. A university because it starts with a U sound. Use and before words that begin with a vowel sound. An apple, an elephant, an hour, silent haze starts with vowel sound. An honest man. Remember, it's about sound, not spelling. Definite article the. We use the when we talk about specific things that are already known to the speaker and listener. Examples: the sun is hot. There is only one sun. I saw the movie you recommended, a specific movie. She opened the door. Also use with unique things: the moon, the sky. Superlatives: the best, the tallest. Oceans, rivers, and deserts: the specific, the Nile, the Sahara. Common mistakes: I bought an university. Right? I bought a university because university starts with a U sound. Wrong sentence. She is the honest person. Right sentence. She is an honest person. Wrong sentence. I have the idea. Right sentence. I have an idea if it's not specific. Quick recap. A before consonant sounds: a pen. An before vowel sounds: an egg. The for specific nouns: the sun. Tip: use articles carefully in writing and speaking. It changes meaning. Practice time. Try completing these. 1. I saw dash elephant at the zoo. 2. He is dash honest man. 3. She has dash idea for the project. 4. I love dash moonlight. Write your answer in the comments. Thanks for watching class 3 on articles a and the. Please like, share and subscribe to Fluent English with Shah for more step-by-step English grammar class. Next up, class 4, verbs, types and uses. Till then, keep learning and keep growing. Stay fluent, stay confident. Thank you very much.